Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and how to this body is designed. Okay guys, today discuss here a very important this is a 3D modeling, and at first drawing use a CATIA software, and this is a 3D modeling and how to this convert a 2D drafting. Okay, this is a perfect and at first drawing this is a 3D modeling and how to this body is designed. Use a this is a front view, and this is a left view, and this is a top view. Okay, and all is a correct, and all 2D drafting and all value is mentioned here, and how to this body is designed. This 3D modeling and convert a this 2D drafting. Okay, easily convert here, and how to this body is designed. Okay, let's start here. This is a nozzle, and use a CATIA software and how to this body is designed, and this is a correct project is looking here. Okay, and isometric view is also this is a perfect okay, and use a drafting, and at first click a mechanical design and use a drafting. Okay, this is a perfect and use a front view, top view, and left view, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and sheet is created here also, and this is a perfect and this is a front view, and this is a left view, and this is a top view. Okay, all is perfect. At first select this sheet is created here, and use going to property, and this sheet is a okay A3 ISO, but this is a A2 ISO is okay. Apply here, and this is a okay because size is increased. This sheet size is increased, and this is a very nice because this body is also increased size. And at first one by one, and press a control button, and one by one all is select here, and going to property, and this scale is delete here, and this 2:1 is correct. Apply here, and this is a increase, but this is a hidden line also, and X is center line thread, and use a 3D wireframe and click OK. This is a perfect. Okay, all line is a you can see here clear. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, and next is a use a this is a and isometric view is also click here, and going to this window. A window is a this CATIA nozzle is drawing here, and use this and anywhere is click here, and this is a click, and okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a in okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect and isometric is also this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a delete here, and isometric is also click okay, anywhere is click, and this is a drag here. Okay, and this size is a this. Okay, but this size is very small, and this size is also increase, and going to property, and property is a this is a 5:2. 5:2 is very nice, and size is very okay. And again select this, going to property, and use this is a 3D color, and also use this and use a roster, and going to option is this and shading with edge. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is looking perfect, and again select a, okay, and again select a, going to edit and sit background. Okay, and this is a sit frame and title block is also, and create a, this is perfect and apply here, and this is a perfect. Okay, and title block is also some edit this also, this is the decrease, this is a delete here. Okay, all point is delete, and this is a, okay, and use a this okay, and use a CAD CAE, okay, tutorial, and use a this, and 5 7 is also correct, and color is a red. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this nozzle, CATIA nozzle design. Okay, and use this, and 5 is better, and this is a color is, okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is correct, and again click edit, going to edit and working, this is a perfect. Okay, and also use this is generative dimension, and click OK, and all is perfect, and some dimension is a create here. Okay, this is a perfect, because some small, and all press a control button, and all is select here, and this is a, okay, and this, and bold, and this is a 5 is correct. Okay, this is a better. Okay, and one by one is select here, and this is a perfect, okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and this is a this, and this. Okay, but next is a, okay, but some dimension is not so here, then all is one by one is, okay, this is a perfect, okay, okay, this is a correct, and guys, some important point is discussed here, and all is perfect, and this is a use a this, because this is a generate dimension is only this is a showing here, but all dimension is one by one is show here, and use a this dimension, and click here, and at first this 16.75, and use a this this to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and at first click this line to this. Okay, and use a 10 point. Okay, this is a perfect, okay, okay, this is a 10 point. Okay, at first select a distance, and use this, and use this to this. Okay, 9 is correct, and some use a 7.5, and this use this this is this line to this select here 31, and some this perfect, and next is a double click here, and next is a 10 means this is a this line to this line to this. Okay, this is a 10.25, 10.25 is correct, and again select a this this line to this, and click here this line to this. Okay, 11 point. Okay, this is a correct, and this to this is a distance here, this. Okay, and this is also this distance is correct, and also this distance is this is a perfect. Okay. And also mention here 7.25, and this is a perfect, and this is a delete here, also delete here this to this this to this. Okay, okay, this is perfect, and use this. Okay, this is perfect, and use this. All is correct. Okay, and next is a 16.25 is correct, and also this use this. Okay, this point to this. Okay, this is a perfect, and next is a okay, this to this 9 point. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this 9 is correct, and use this this line to this line to this. 16 is also correct, and 9. Okay, 9 is also better. This is a perfect, and all dimension is very important. Okay, and use this point to this mention here, and use this line to click here, and this is this 5 is correct, and also this is this line to this this line to this is also this is 3, and use this to this okay, and use this line to this point is okay. This 5 is correct, and again select here this okay, and select here this line to this distance is 49 and 1.6 is correct, and also this to this is a 40 better, and also this line to this is a 12. Okay, and also looking perfect, and this value is a correct, and this to this is a 9. Okay, this is correct, and this distance is also correct, and this point and all point is press a control button and one by one is select here. Okay, and one by one is select here, and going to property and use a and use a this dimension. Okay, graphic and feature font. Okay, this is a correct, and font this is a bold, and use a 5. Okay, and all is correct. This is a perfect, but some color is also change here, and all color is change, and this is a going to property and use a color means this is a this blue color is also correct. Okay, and all is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this and this is also better, and this is apply here. Some important point is discussed here. At first select a okay, this is a this line to this 53 is correct, and also this line to this is a this line to this is a 40. Okay, and select here this line to this is a 40, and next is some important point is also discussed here. At first create a this is a this center line, and use a this point is select here, and some point is this okay, this is a delete here. Okay, and center line is a click and use a this okay, okay, center line is this this line to this okay, this point to this okay, not showing here, but this drawing at first select this to this 4, and use select this to this line to this is a 7. okay, this line to this is a 7, and also select this line to this, okay, and select here okay, this line to this is a okay, this line to this, select this 12, and at first select okay, and center line is very very important, but this drawing this not correct drawing here, and the center line is a okay, this is perfect, and click this and select this and use and this line to this is a 10, okay, very nice. Okay, and next is this is a chamfer is drawing here, and use this is a chamfer dimension, and use this, okay, this is a correct, and also chamfer is this and use this, okay, and next is this and hole is this to this, this line to this is 82 is correct, 82 and 53, okay, all is better and all is correct, but some important point is discuss here, and use this and click this to this is okay, this to this, okay, and also click here okay, some important point use this some important point is discussed here, and use a circular is this and 7.5, and also okay, and also this is also 11 point, okay, and this is a correct 5, and some important point is discussed here, and this point to this distance, and okay, this point to this, okay, this point, okay, discuss here this is a correct okay, this line to select here this line, this is a 19 point, and also some important point this to okay, this to this this point to this is a 15, okay, 2 point is very very important, and this is delete here, and also this is delete here, okay, and all, and one select this and this to this, one by one is select here, okay, and this also this, okay, and all point going to property, and also this to this and this going to property, and this is a 5 and bold, and color is this is a okay, this is a correct and also this is also going to property and use of 5 mm and bold, and color is change here and pink, this is a blue, and okay. And this is a perfect and correct, and also drawing this at first, create a this to this, and also drawing a line, and some important point is discussed here. All point is very nice looking here, and all is mentioned here are this this to this, and also and some important point is discussed here. This is a perfect, and green color is a standard value, and this value is a creation here, and this green color value is a standard value, and automatic is select here. And some important point discuss here, and this is a and at first select this and use a bold and use a 7, and color is red. This perfect, but some this point is very nice, and also this is a correct, also, and this is a perfect, and some important point, and use a this select here this and this is a this. At first select here this and and use a this. This is a perfect, and this is a copy object format. And at first select this and copy, and this. This is a perfect, and also this is a click and copy with object format and click this is a correct, but this point is some is, and also this is a this because this is a this is a perfect and correct. All is looking perfect. And some important is discussed here. And all point is correct. All point is, and again select use this offset section view and click here, and this is a click and select this to this point to this double click here, and this is a and this is a correct, and anywhere is click here. This is a offset section view, but this is not use. And also this is a detail view, and click here, and any detail is showing here, and click anywhere is this, and this is a perfect, detail is correct, this detail not, but again and select this to Okay, this is select here, and this is this, and detail view is also better, and this use this, but this is not use here. And this of left view and front view and top view is also better, and all dimension is correct. And this is a 3D modeling is correct, and this use a 2D drafting, and how to easily drawing here, and this is a 3D modeling and how to easily drawing a 2D drafting. Okay, and easily drawing here. Okay, okay guys guys, I hope you will learn all process and all method is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.